Welcome to Silica and the world of Baltarus, an exoplanet located thousands of light years from Earth. Your mission here is to locate and harvest Balterium, an element concealed beneath the silica crystals on the planet's surface. Silica is a crossover of RTS and FPS, where you can lead from above as a commander in real-time strategy, or experience the action firsthand, either on your own or with your friends, as infantry in FPS. You have the option to play between two human factions, the people of Sol and the determined Centauri, or you can hunt them down as the insect-like aliens native to Baltarus. As a commander, you'll get to control the battlefield, the structures needed to produce bigger and more lethal means of destruction. On the other hand, as an infantry soldier, your job is to follow the instructions of your commander to ensure victory for your side. You'll get to control all of the units and vehicles, along with their arsenal. There are 3 game modes available. Strategy, which combines the RTS and FPS elements, and can be played in any combination, up to a 3-way conflict between the factions. Prospector is a co-op FPS-only mode.
Prospector Alpha, this is Command.
Where you begin your quest near your landing pod and prospect the area for Balterium, encountering enemy forces along the way. If you're looking for pure mayhem and carnage, try Arena, an all-out, free-for-all deathmatch. And now, you must join the battle. The scorching deserts of Baltarus are waiting.
Thinking of becoming a Star Trucker? Here's some friendly tips to help you get started. Rule number 1, safety first. So be careful around electronics and go easy with that airlock. You don't want to become a human popsicle. Rule number 2, look after your truck and your truck will look after you. So patch up pinholes, keep the fuel tank topped up, and try not to ride those thrusters too hard for too long. Rule number 3, take time to stock up on supplies. You'll want the 4-packs nice and cold, and any essentials close to hand. Rule number 4, always get the job done. Hitch, jump, and haul that cargo on time, and you'll never be short a dime. And lastly, be sure to enjoy the ride.
Cancel the reservation. Reset the procedure.
Continued neuroprodding may severely damage the suspect.
Reset the procedure.
Yes, standing by.
Eject. I'm Mr. Bowman. Your subconscious was just spilling the beans about your recent Akajima district break-in. Let's continue. What were you hoping to find in the Nexus Sentinels? You mother... There's no use in fighting. I will get what I want. So that's how you found out about our Akajima vault. What were you looking for?
A key.
A key to what?
You really want to know?
Yes! What's the key for?
It's not what, Mr. Bowman. It's who. You see, just like me, you're caught here. You're caught in the den of wolves.